experience with Psychology Today lately has not been that great, to the point where I haven't thought it was actually worth my time, my energy, or my money. I considered canceling several times. I would look at my financial statements and just say, this isn't worth it.
I've had a profile for a while, I would say probably a little over a year, and I've managed to get a few clients, but probably not as many as I would have liked.
I was maybe getting 2 referrals a month.
Sometimes I used to get 5, 6 calls a week, and then sometimes I would get no calls. Recently, I haven't been getting as many calls as I used to. And by taking the course, I saw some things I should probably, change.
This course really felt like, from beginning to end, A to Z, excellence. If you plan to use Psychology Today as part of your marketing strategy, I am comfortable saying that this course is a must.
2 weeks, I think I had 6 new clients. Since taking the course, I see even more gaps in my profile. I'm really excited to take the new information, apply it to my profile, and get even more traction.
It's going to help increase our visibility, increase the number of clients who reach out to us. This course flattened the learning curve and made a lot of things that otherwise you'll figure out in bits and pieces, puts a lot of things together up front and serves it to you on a platter. It was very well put together and puts everything in one nice, concise package.
There was no fluff. I felt like the videos were all full of quality material.
I liked the way Omar talked about discovering and listing and writing about your specialties.
This is an invaluable opportunity that will enhance your client referral. So do it. It's your business. You have to invest in your business. Look at it as a tax write-off, but you will not regret this course.